y'all, these chicken wings, these coconut chicken wings are delicious. I want you to try this recipe and make sure that you soak these wings at least an hour or two. And the chicken will taste perfect like this is tasting. It's wonderful, y'all. After this presentation, I'll show you how to make these wonderful coconut chicken wings. They are delicious. You can taste the coconut because you're soaking in coconut milk, and then you put coconut extract to give that extra boost. Wonderful, y'all. Look at that little, look at that. You see that little coconut right there? It tastes good. This is, I want to tell you, happy eating. After this presentation, I'll show you how to make these wonderful, wonderful chicken coconut wings. When you take it out the batter, you're going to do it just like this to make sure it's all coated, and you're going to dredge it into the flour and the coconut, just like that. Okay, and then you're going to set it to the side and let it dry, air dry for about an hour. Be right back.